Say hello, guys! Hello! For today's video, mag-unbox kami ni siya ng new toy. Say wow! Wow! Say wow! Sige. Wow! Oh, unbox na tayo. Open, open. Open! Wow! You know what inside? What? Wow! Where is the... No, this is not a car. Always car. Tapos ano naman new toys for you. Open. Say open. Wow, we need to assemble first. Yes. We need to assemble first. Slowly. Wow. Mami, mag-assemble muna tayo. Assemble para. Guys, in order to sa TikTok. Remove that one. Yung may daki na umakyat pababa. Mami, don't break this one. Yes, Mama. Look at the baby ducks. Look, guys, this one is our roller coaster. Then we have how many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks. Mommy, it's not like that. Are you ready for our game? Mommy, you need to pull all the ducks here. Look, put the ducks. Put the ducks. Mommy, here. Mama, here. Down. Mama, no, it's not like that. I will teach you. Put all the ducks. Look, the duck is walking. 1, 2. Look, the duck is going up. Look, Ducky. Ready? Wow, it's so cute. Wow, look at it. Look at that. Wow. Wow, nice toy. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Put on to the duckies going up. Look. Ayan. Ano mami on the duckies? Ayan mo lang siya. Wag mo tatay. Doktor lang. Tatay, look. Ducky. Wow. Wow. Wow, duckies. Ila, put all the duck. Wow, go. Go, duck.